Okay, so here we are again. Hello, campers, and so I've repaired everything. I pulled all the old linoleum out of here, and now I used an old type of old Derman's putty. Is great stuff to use. Uh, it grabs a hold real good. You just gotta let it dry real good though, and mix it up like sort of like drywall tape. And so this is the new area, right where that spatula is at. And as you can see, there's a seam right there, and seams are never going to come out perfect. So now the underlayment is pretty important. So what I did was I made a mold out of cardboard. Good old mold making. So made a mold out of cardboard, and basically that's it right there. And I fitted it all, I scribed it all in, and so now able to take that mold out, and able to take this mold outside. And so looking back at this, it's, so I'm gonna put the linoleum down first, and then the wall comes up, then the cabinets go in, and then the countertop goes in, and then after the countertop I install the sink, and then after the sink I install the oven and the gas stove, and then I work on this side, which I'm going to make completely new. That's going to have just a bench seat with a seat on the end over there where the mold is, and then I'm going to have a pull out here to make a bed. So that area right there, it's going to have a little seat. I have a bench seat over here, and then I'm going to be able to pull this out, and then you're going to have a bed in here, and I'm going to have some connections here. I'm going to go from here to there with a probably some teak, and I'm going to kind of make the same thing as that over there. I'll probably keep that though, and then I'm going to connect some pipe that I'm going to make, and that's going to hold 2 trays so that you can eat in here and just roll them back and then fold them up, and that way you're going to have all this room to walk in here. It's going to be so much more spacious. It's going to feel like a pop out. All right, so I'll let you know when I cut the mold for this and install it. And linoleum is pretty easy to install. It's just a matter of cutting it, put it down, clean everything, and then started that in, pull it back all the way back over here, glue it, pull it back over there, pull it, put it back on, and then put it in place. Kind of make sure you roll it, and then again pull it back, and so it's a pretty easy process. Just a little bit of you got to be patient with it. So I don't know if I can film myself doing it, but it's just tedious. Okay, campers, I'll let you know how this comes out. I'll refilm it after I get it all done. Okay, bye campers.